Ray here from CCTV Camera World. I'll be showing you how to set up a PTZ camera system that's standalone completely, no internet required. So let me do a walkthrough of everything that I've got and how to set it up. Here I have an NVR that's an AvaEye NVR, an AvaEye panel zoom camera, joystick controller, PoE switch. The PTZ gets connected to port 1 on the PoE switch. The PoE switch also gets connected, doesn't matter which port, to the joystick. And doesn't matter which port, to the LAN port on the NVR. We will not be using the PoE ports. The NVR has an HDMI output, supports up to a 4K monitor. We set it at 720p when we ship it out. USB mouse and a power supply for the NVR. These are standalone systems, meaning no internet is required. So nothing is going back to my main network switch in the back. So once you have everything wired correctly, you should be able to go up to the joystick. You want to click enter on the joystick and you'll be prompted for a password. If you look on the bottom right, the password's written here is 123456. So I'm going to type that in and hit enter. Now go to mode select, hit enter, hit IPC mode. Unfortunately, you can't see this, but the first one says IPC mode. My iPhone is unable to, okay, here we go. It's got IPC mode right there. So press enter on that. And once it's there, press 1 ID. It selects the pan tilt zoom camera. Now I can move the pan tilt zoom camera left, right, up and down. And using the joystick, the knob, you can zoom in and out. Okay. So all these controls are sent directly through the switch to the camera. The NVR is getting a video stream and recording inside. So what's happening is you've got a full system, surveillance system, all over a local network that's PoE. This PTZ can be run up to 300 feet using Cat5e cable. And with our special switch that's from AvaEye, you can run it up to 650 feet. I've tested it already over Cat5e solid copper cable. So here's again what's needed for a pan tilt zoom camera system. 1, of course, the pan tilt zoom. 2, an NVR that talks to that pan tilt zoom camera. In this case, they're both AvaEye products. 3rd, a PoE switch. Happens to be an AvaEye PoE switch from CCTV Camera World. 4th, you need a joystick controller. Internet required? Absolutely not. It's all optional. This PTZ can be mounted to pendant mounts, wall mounts, including some corner mounts that are available. This is a 33 times PTZ. And of course, the obvious, we have it sitting upside down just so we could test it. And you can watch your video from your pan tilt zoom camera on your NVR. Here's me waving at the camera. You can even control this pan tilt zoom camera through the NVR if you wanted by using joystick controls that are on screen. And you can pan tilt and zoom through here as well. Hopefully you found this video useful in how you can set up a standalone pan tilt zoom camera from CCTV Camera World. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.